Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial. In this guide, I'll show you how can you set up OpenVPN server on TP-Link router. In order to set up OpenVPN server on a TP-Link router, you'll need to follow these steps. First of all, you need to log into your router at tplinkwifi.net, and once you've actually done it, so you want to click on Advanced on the top navigation bar. After which, you want to go ahead and click on a VPN server, then click on OpenVPN. Once you've done it so, you'll be then taken to the next field. After you've actually done it so, then this step must be completed before enabling the OpenVPN. So enable VPN server box, then fill in the following information as prompted. On the next field, you need to click on export to download the configuration file to your computer. Now you need to connect your OpenVPN to PC. So first of all, open your browser and navigate to openvpn.net/community-downloads. Once you've done it so, you want to click downloads, then click the link corresponding your Windows version. You want to click on the next or run the installation and find the certificate in the downloader folder and copy the file. Once you've done it so, the file name may differ for each router. So paste the configure file on the configure folder located in the OpenVPN directories. After you've done this, so launch the program. A quick launch icon will appear in your taskbar. Right click the icon and select connect. Now if connections is successful, you will see the following message such as this. And with that being said, you've successfully set up an OpenVPN server to TP-Link router. So that is how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.